You are divine. You gotta know how powerful you are. If you have been in narcissistic relationships and if you didn't fold, you didn't allow them to change you and made you become hateful and bitter, you're a powerful motherfucker. You know how powerful you gotta be not to be broken? Huh? They think shit's sweet because you're a loving being, you're a peaceful being. They think shit's sweet. Take that for weakness if you want. Take that shit for weakness if you want. You gonna fuck around and find out. And they do. They try. That's why they getting their going. That's why you don't have to touch them physically. Just be that you are. Ancestors gonna take care of that. You got so many motherfuckers that base their whole life on trying to keep you down and dim your light and be spiteful to you. Motherfucker base their whole life trying to be spiteful and wonder why shit ain't going right in their lives. Look at the energy you putting out. Look at who you putting it out towards. You gotta be careful where you direct that energy. Those ones that carry that light ain't to be fucked with. And we know we ain't to be fucked with. And they don't like that. And they don't like that. See what I'm saying? They hate that you confident in yourself. They hate that you walking in royalty. They hate that you glowing. You happy. Because they want you to be like them. They want you to be feeling like them. All the hard work and effort, all the energy that they put into to beat you down, and you mean to tell me you still rising? You still shining? They pissed off about your shine. They tried their hardest to beat you down. And still you rose up and made you stronger. It made you stronger. I know all my haters pissed off. Cause they're like, this motherfucker keep glowing and glowing and glowing and glowing. I love you, haters. Thank you. Thank you. I transmute that shit. I'm an alchemist. I've been practicing alchemy before I even know what it was. See what I'm saying? I always made a bad situation good. Seen the good in every situation. I've been doing that shit before I even know what transmuting energy was. I've been like this. But now they see that glow even brighter and wider, that energy. Stay in your heart space, love yourself. Love yourself. Enough not to put up with their bullshit. Because the biggest mistake that you could ever make is to try to impress somebody else's, is to try to do everything in your power to try to impress them. If they're not impressed with you being that you are, you moving in pure intentions, they ain't gonna never be impressed. Because if they don't love themselves, they don't know how to receive the love. See what I'm saying? They don't know how to receive the love. It makes them upset. When you love a person that hates themselves, that makes them upset. Because you holding them accountable. See? By being that you are. Being a loving being, being a caring being. So the more you love a person that don't hate, that don't love their